Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a topic that is nitrogen cycle. We all know that in atmosphere 78% nitrogen is present and this nitrogen is in the complex form. If plants or animals are trying to utilize this atmospheric nitrogen, so they can't utilize in this form. So there is a need this atmospheric nitrogen should be converted into soluble form so that the plants can utilize and from plant body the protein content which is present in the plant body that will transfer into the animal body. Let's see here. This nitrogen cycle that will begins from the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere. With the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae and one more process that is lightning, this atmospheric nitrogen that will be fixed, it means that will just convert into compound of nitrogen and that will just reach to the soil. And this process is called nitrogen fixation. Now, this soluble form, here we can say that the compound of this nitrogen, this will be utilized by the plant body. Means we can say that this will just transfer in the plant's body, and in the plant body this will be present in the protein form. Now if the plant is eaten by animals as a food, so this protein content will transfer in animal body. After the death of plants and animals, this content will just mix into the soil, and here the bacteria and fungi, this will decompose, and again this complex compound, this will convert into compound of nitrogen. From here also certain denitrifying bacteria, this will decompose some nitrogen compounds into nitrogen gas. Means it will just begins from the atmosphere and again this will escape back into the atmosphere. Let's see what is nitrogen cycle. It is circulation of nitrogen element through living and non-living things is called nitrogen cycle. It is required by both plants and animals for their growth and development. Nitrogen is essential component of protein which makes up the body of plants and animals. It's also present in chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. We are talking about the steps of nitrogen cycle. The mainly nitrogen cycle is completed in 5 steps. The first step of nitrogen cycle, that is nitrogen fixation, means atmospheric nitrogen that will be just converted into the soluble form. Here we can say that a compound of nitrogen by certain nitrifying bacteria. Let's see here. The process of conversion of free nitrogen. Free nitrogen means atmospheric nitrogen. The nitrogen which is present in atmosphere is called free nitrogen. So this free nitrogen will converted into soluble compounds are called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae and lightning in the sky will fix nitrogen gas from the atmosphere and convert it into soluble compounds. Now this soluble compounds that will just go to the soil. The second step of nitrogen cycle, that is assimilation, means the soluble compound when that will go to the soil, that will be utilized by the plants which will just present in the soil and that will help in growth and development of the plant body. Let's see here. Plant convert this compound of nitrogen into plant protein, another organic compound which helps in functional growth of the plants. So this whole process is called assimilation. Third step of nitrogen cycle, that is ammonification. Conversion of complex organic compound of dead and decaying organism, means in dead and decaying organism body, nitrogen is present in complex form, so this will convert into ammonia and the process is called ammonification. In simple form we can just understand this, this complex nitrogen, here we can say nitrogen compound that will convert into ammonia is called ammonification. The fourth step of nitrogen cycle, that is nitrification. What will happen here? This ammonia, first of all this will convert into nitrite, and here the bacteria that will help in conversion, that is Nitrosomonas, and again this nitrite will convert into nitrate and the bacteria that will help, that is Nitrobacter. Means the process of conversion of ammonia to nitrate is called nitrification. So first of all, this ammonia will break down into nitrite and then this will convert into nitrate. And the last step of the nitrogen cycle, that is denitrification. What is denitrification? Degradation of nitrate is called denitrification. Means this nitrate, with the help of Pseudomonas bacteria, again this will convert into nitrogen. Now the free nitrogen escape into atmosphere and circulate again and give rise to nitrogen cycle. As a result of nitrogen cycle in nature, the percentage of nitrogen gas in the atmosphere remain constant. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.